Flat batteries and low tire pressure, two of the most frustrating problems drivers face. That's why jump starters with built-in air compressors are such game changers. We put 11 different models through hands-on testing, checking power, ease of use, compressor performance, and overall value. After hours of real-world trials, we narrowed the list down to the 8 best performers. Whether you're looking for a compact unit for emergencies or a heavy-duty station for your garage, these picks deliver confidence when you need it most. When it comes to jump starter power packs, the NOCO GBX45 stands out as one of the best for everyday drivers. Delivering up to 1,250 amps of peak current, it can start gasoline engines up to 6.5 liters and diesel engines up to 4.0 liters with ease. Powered by NOCO's USB-C fast charging technology, it recharges in just 1.2 hours and doubles as a power bank for smartphones, tablets, and USB devices. The integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight offers multiple modes, including SOS and emergency strobe, making it invaluable in low-light conditions. Safety features include spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, ensuring worry-free operation. Compact yet rugged, the GBX45 weighs just over 2 pounds and is built with a durable housing that resists impact and weather. While it costs more than budget models, its premium build, fast charging, and reliable performance make it a smart investment to keep in your vehicle. It's late at night, the rain is pouring, and your car won't start. The battery is dead and you're stranded, until you pull out the Gulu GP4000. Delivering up to 4,000 peak amps, this compact powerhouse can jump gasoline and diesel engines up to 10 liters, bringing even the biggest trucks back to life in seconds. Its 19,800 mAh lithium battery isn't just for jump starts. It doubles as a power bank with USB-C fast charging for phones, tablets, and laptops. Built-in safety features like spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection keep operation worry-free, while the rugged design weighs under 3 pounds for easy storage in your trunk. A bright LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes adds peace of mind in roadside emergencies. Reliable, versatile, and powerful, the GP4000 is the tool that turns a stressful breakdown into a quick recovery. Picture this: you're driving a classic car, the battery goes completely flat, and not even the dash lights flicker. That's exactly the scenario we tested with the vintage Audi 80, and the C-Tech CS Free delivered. Unlike traditional jump starters, this is a smart trickle charger with multiple modes, including a battery boost function. Hook it up, and in about 15 minutes, it pumps enough life into the battery to get the engine running smoothly. The CS Free automatically detects the battery's condition and switches to the correct setting, making operation effortless. Beyond emergency boosts, it doubles as a power bank for phones, tablets, or laptops, and its rugged premium build feels reassuringly durable. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for modern cars or classics alike. Whether you're on the road or off-grid, the CS Free is more than a jump starter. It's peace of mind in your glove box. Imagine being stuck with a dead battery in your MG TF. With the Works WX852.1, placement is effortless thanks to its magnetic base, which clings securely to the car's metal frame. Shaped like a torch, this booster is easy to handle and includes multi-position lights for visibility in dark conditions. On first use, it triggered an overvoltage safety mode, but after repositioning the clamps, the engine cranked smoothly back to life, proof that careful setup matters. While the build quality feels less premium than NOCO's higher-end units, Works offsets this with practical design touches and versatility, as the brand produces a wide range of tools beyond jump starters. Compact, functional, and user-friendly, the WX852.1 is a handy backup for everyday drivers. It may not match the tactile feel of premium competitors, but its magnetic base and integrated lighting make it uniquely convenient in real-world roadside scenarios.
You're running late, the car won't start, and frustration sets in until you reach for the Clore JNC 325. With its 24-inch cable length, connecting to the battery is quick and hassle-free, even in tight spaces. Operation couldn't be simpler. Just 2 buttons, power and override. In testing, a single press of override brought the vehicle to life instantly. Compact yet powerful, the JNC 325 delivers enough current to start nearly any consumer vehicle, from sedans to SUVs. A soft carrying case keeps the unit, cables, and charging cords neatly organized in your trunk. Built for reliability, it's lightweight, easy to store, and ready whenever you need it. Whether you're stranded at home or on the road, the JNC 325 combines straightforward design, dependable performance, and portability. That's why it earns our pick as the best overall portable jump starter, a tool that turns stressful breakdowns into quick recoveries. Picture this. It's the middle of the night, your truck won't start, and you need serious power. That's where the Gulu GT6000 comes in. Chunkier than smaller units, it won't fit in the glove box, but its rugged build inspires confidence. Delivering up to 6,000 peak amps, it's rated to jump all gasoline and diesel engines up to 12 liters, making it ideal for larger vehicles. The oversized clamps are easy to handle, even with gloves on, and the boost mode fired up our test vehicle without hesitation. While the frosted glass screen can be tricky to read under glare, the interface remains simple, with one button and a single flap covering all ports. An integrated ultra-bright LED flashlight adds peace of mind for roadside emergencies, and the unit doubles as a power bank for phones or tablets. Packed neatly in a nylon drawstring bag, the GT6000 is built for drivers who demand maximum power and durability. Imagine a cold morning when your car won't start and your tire pressure is low. Instead of juggling multiple tools, the Stanley J5C09D handles it all. This heavy-duty power station isn't as portable as pocket-sized jump starters, but it's perfect for keeping in the garage to service multiple vehicles. Delivering 1,000 peak amps, it easily aced our jump test, starting the car without hesitation. The easy-to-read control panel, sturdy clamps, and adjustable LED light make operation straightforward, even in low light conditions. What sets it apart is the built-in 120 psi air compressor, ideal for topping off tires, inflating basketballs, or handling other inflatables. With nearly 3 times the onboard energy compared to smaller portable units, this do-it-all station can jump just about anything in your garage. Rugged, versatile, and reliable, the J5C09D is more than a jump starter. It's a complete roadside and garage companion. Simplify and add lightness might not usually apply to jump starters, but the Straudo proves otherwise. Weighing less than 1.5 pounds, it's the lightest unit we tested. So portable you could toss it in your glove box and forget it's there. The included polyester carrying bag adds durability and organization with pockets for cables and cords. During testing, we had minor resistance connecting the cables, but once worn in, the connector clicked securely into place. Despite its size, the Straudo packs useful extras, an LED flashlight for night jumps, and a power bank function for charging phones or small devices. The clamps are on the smaller, plasticky side, and the screen can be tricky to read under certain angles, but for occasional use, this compact booster delivers. Lightweight, practical, and easy to store, the Straudo is a smart backup for drivers who value portability above all else. From portable lifesavers to full-size power stations, these 8 jump starters with air compressors proved themselves in our testing. Each one offers a unique balance of power, convenience, and versatility, so you can choose the right fit for your vehicle and lifestyle. No more worrying about dead batteries or low tire pressure. With the right unit in your trunk or garage, you're always prepared. If you found this roundup helpful, don't forget to check out our other gear reviews for more trusted recommendations.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.